How to generate AI images with Tensor.art. First, open the website and look for official Tensor.art website and sign into your account, Tensor.art. Once you're on the homepage, choose a creation tool based on the type of image you want. For example, you can use Anime Lab for anime-style images or Photoreal Studio for realistic images. TensorArt's current homepage also includes tools like OC Creator, Smart Edit, and Create from Reference. Next, enter a detailed AI image prompt describing exactly what you want to create. For example, a futuristic city at night, neon lights, cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed, realistic photography. The more specific your prompt is, the more control you have over the final result. Now, adjust the available settings if needed, then click Generate. Wait a few moments while TensorArt creates your image. Once it's finished, preview the results and generate another version if you want to try a different style prompt. Finally, select your favorite image and use the available download option to save it. That's it. You've successfully generated an AI image with Tensor.art. If this tutorial helped, hit like and subscribe for more AI image generation tutorials, AI tools, and useful tech guides.